Auto sequence has been initiated. Standing by for the start of engine ignition. The engine ignition has started. T-minus 3, 2, 1. Engine start and liftoff. Liftoff of a new Progress resupply ship bound for the International Space Station. "40 seconds into the flight, the reports from the blockhouse at Baikonur are good. Good engine performance so far for the first stage of the Soyuz booster as it heads downrange from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in pursuit of the International Space Station. Nominal engine chamber pressures reported good engine performance 1 minute 7 seconds into the flight. Good yaw, pitch, and roll. Passing through maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle. All booster control parameters are reported to be normal from the engineers at the blockhouse in Baikonur. About 30 seconds left in first stage performance. The 4 strap-on liquid fuel boosters will separate, and then the second stage engine will ignite. The liftoff was confirmed at 11:49 and 40 seconds a.m. Central Time, 10:49 and 40 seconds p.m. at Baikonur. Standing by for first stage shutdown and separation. There it is. Good first stage performance. Boosters have been jettisoned. The Soyuz booster and the Progress resupply vehicle 35 miles in altitude, 78 miles downrange from the Baikonur Cosmodrome, traveling more than 4,000 miles an hour. Second stage engine up and running in good shape. Two minutes 50 seconds into the flight. The shroud covering the Progress vehicle has now been jettisoned. That occurring at an altitude of 52 statute miles. The Soyuz booster now 102 miles downrange, traveling almost 5,000 miles an hour. All structural parameters reported to be normal. Good second stage engine performance. Three and a half minutes into the flight. Not quite 5.5 minutes to go in powered flight.